Retirees have a wealth of knowledge about planning for retirement that can change our lives. They've been through it all and have great advice to share. But what exactly are the secrets they know? Their tips can transform the way we think about retirement. Want to discover the most impactful advice they have? In today's video, we'll hear from retirees who've gone through planning for retirement. They got some really helpful tips, the top 10 things that changed their lives during this process. Are you excited to learn from their experiences and start planning for your own retirement journey? Let's get started. Number 1. Sequence of returns risk. Sequence of returns risk is a key consideration when planning for retirement. It describes how the timing of market fluctuations can affect your investments and, consequently, your retirement savings. Imagine this risk as a crucial factor in deciding how much money you'll have when you retire. It's like a roller coaster ride for your finances, where the order of good and bad returns influences your overall wealth. Understanding and planning for this risk is vital to safeguard your savings from the unpredictability of the market, ensuring a smoother journey towards your retirement goals. Number 2. Losing fear of inflation. Inflation might sound like a complex term, but it's essentially about the prices of things going up over time. It's like when you used to buy a favorite snack for $1, but now it costs $1.50. This increase can make it tough for your money to stretch as far as it used to. Not all price increases affect everyone in the same way. Some things might get more expensive faster than others, like groceries or gas. Understanding which parts of your budget are getting pricier can help you plan better. By focusing on these rising costs, you can make smarter decisions about where to spend and save your money, ensuring you're better prepared to handle the changes that inflation brings. Number 3. Delaying starting Social Security. Holding off on getting Social Security benefits might seem tough, but it can be a good move, especially when prices shoot up. Think about other ways to get money before reaching for your Social Security savings. It's like waiting for the best time to use your favorite toy. It's even better when you wait for the right moment to use what you've got. Checking out different ways to get cash first might help you keep your Social Security money for when you need it most. Number 4. Rethinking your ideal retirement location. Housing costs are moving up and down like a seesaw lately, which means it's a great moment to think again about where you'd like to spend your retired days. It's like the wind changing direction, making us rethink our plans. But hey, don't worry. This is an opportunity to take a fresh look at different places where you could settle down peacefully. Look for areas that match what you're comfortable spending, just like finding the perfect puzzle piece that fits snugly. Consider the changes in the housing market too, as it can influence your decision. Think about what makes you feel happy and secure, and let's navigate through these fluctuating costs to find that ideal spot for your retirement together. Number 5. Developing a healthcare game plan. Enrolling in Medicare at the right moment is super important, but there's more to it than just that. It's like preparing for a journey. You need to pack more than just one thing. So before you retire, take a moment to think about all the other healthcare costs that might pop up along the way. It's like looking at a map before going on an adventure, figuring out all the routes you can take. There are different health coverage options out there, like little puzzle pieces waiting to fit together perfectly. Don't forget to explore them. It's normal to feel a bit uncertain about the unknown, but planning ahead for these additional expenses can help you feel more prepared and secure for this next chapter of life. Number 6. Being prepared for early retirement. Many retirees end up saying goodbye to work earlier than they thought, all because of different reasons life throws their way. It's like having plans for a sunny day, but then suddenly, here comes the rain. That's why it's pretty smart to start thinking ahead of time, like peeking into the future a bit. Starting to plan early is like gathering your tools before tackling a big project. It helps you get ready for whatever might happen next. It might feel a bit like walking on a road with many turns and surprises, but by preparing in advance, you can face these unexpected changes with a bit more ease and a sense of being ready for whatever life has in store for your retirement journey. Number 7. Considering part-time work in retirement. You know, working part-time after retiring can actually help a lot, especially with money matters. It's like having a little extra pocket change when you need it most. So before you retire, it's a good idea to start looking into these opportunities and making connections, just like planting seeds before the harvest season. Exploring these options beforehand is like having a safety net, keeping a little flow of income coming your way. It might feel like meeting new friends or reconnecting with old ones. Building these networks early can be super helpful for when you're ready to step into this part-time work world during retirement. It's all about keeping a bit of stability and a sense of purpose while enjoying the retired life. Number 8. Prioritizing self-care. Taking care of your health during retirement is really important, yet sometimes it gets forgotten in all the planning. It's like having a lot of things to juggle, and health ends up being the ball that gets dropped. But don't wait too long. Think of it like watering a plant regularly. It needs care to grow healthy, so don't delay those checkups and appointments. They're like little checkpoints along the road to staying well. Make the most of the benefits available to you while you can. It's a bit like using a coupon before it expires. Taking advantage of these benefits helps you stay on top of your health game during retirement. Prioritizing your health might feel like giving yourself a big warm hug. It's about taking care of yourself and enjoying the retirement years to the fullest. Number 9. Understanding IRA contribution limits. Making sure you're up to date with IRA contribution limits and who can contribute is really key in making the most out of your retirement savings. It's like keeping an eye on a recipe to get the perfect dish. Paying attention to these details helps you cook up the best retirement plan possible. Staying informed about these rules is a bit like having a map while on a journey. It guides you toward your destination. By understanding these important bits and bobs of retirement planning, you're setting yourself up for success. It might feel a bit like putting together puzzle pieces. Each piece is crucial for the whole picture of your comfortable retirement. So keeping tabs on these limits and criteria is like giving your future self a little gift, a smoother and more secure retirement journey. Number 10. Seeking professional financial guidance. Considering the advice of a financial planner or counselor before retiring is like having a seasoned captain to steer your ship through uncharted waters. It's common to feel a bit puzzled or uncertain about the financial side of retiring, just like figuring out a tough riddle. However, these financial experts, they're like the compass guiding you through the intricacies of retirement planning. Their wealth of knowledge and experience can be a real game changer, providing valuable insights and strategies to navigate the complexities of planning for retirement. It's like having a trustworthy friend offering a helping hand when things seem overwhelming, offering clarity and confidence in making crucial financial decisions that pave the way for a smoother and more secure retirement journey. There you have it, minus 10 life-changing tips from retirees themselves about retirement planning. Their experiences and wisdom can guide you toward a secure and fulfilling retirement. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care and plan wisely for your retirement journey. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let us know your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.